well, recording the audio. Okay, just wait a few seconds for them to connect the audio first. Taking longer than expected, but it's okay. Well, to everybody that has already connected to audio, please open your camera and open your mouth. If you want to talk to us, introduce yourself. Please do, but we just wait for
Yes,
a few
please
more people
introduce
to join.
yourself in the chat. Tell us your name, which school you're from, and which state. That will be a lot very exciting. So for those who just joined in, please introduce yourself with your name, school, and which state you're from in the chat. Or if you want to unmute, also can. Okay.
I mean, and also if you are what they call that in one of the GYC participants, if you want to put your team name, also can.
Meanwhile, let me just introduce myself in the chat. Let me. Hello, Ethan. Hello. Oh my god, I'm so sorry if I actually pronounced your name wrongly. But Shevani Veda, Kuhasri, Taisha,
Someone
Rishma.
put in the chat.
Hi Divya. Hello, I'm Ethan from SMK Seri Kembangan. Nice to meet everyone. Hello, Ethan. Let us know where is SMK Seri Kembangan.
Yes, I was about to ask that.
Yeah, which state? Which state? Let us know which state. If you just tuned in, please introduce yourself with your name, school
Your
name,
age.
and state.
No age?
Age is up to them if they want to put.
Yeah.
All right. From KL. I'm not schooling anymore, so I don't have school to put. I'm Maha from KL. Madhi, you want to introduce yourself?
Sure. So, hi everybody. My name is Madhya Alagan. I'm a 13-year-old SNS apprentice and also one of the SNS ambassador. I am part of the video and content team where I help to edit videos and also write scripts for SNS's events. I'm also part of the management team where I help to manage SNS's event. And I also have my own show in attendance called Game Night where we hop on a Zoom call and play games. But not only that, we also learn the simple lessons that you also can learn through the games. Yeah, that's a little bit about me. And I'm from Johor and I'm currently studying at SMK Taman Dissertabra.
All right, cool. I'm so sorry, but I have to say this. It literally sent me saying that in our video we have mentioned where our school is, so support us. Can. Hopefully we can find you in the hundreds of submissions we get for Can. I'm so excited to watch all of the videos.
Yeah, on that note, actually, if you guys want to unmute and talk about how your experience is actually what they call that, while editing or actually shooting the video, if you're in that process, do share with us as well because we want to know. We are excited as well.
Yeah, I think that's Rishman from SMK Seri Kota Puteri 2 from Johor Bahru as well. Hello, Rishman. If you guys are able to turn on your cameras, please do, because it will be so much more fun that way. Please do turn on your cameras if it's possible. And yeah, Madhi, shall we start?
Zoom for a reason.
Shall we start, Madhi?
Wait. Want to share the slide?
Yep, you can start.
Okay. So again, hi everybody, I'm Adele again, and I'll basically be like your host slash moderator for the whole event, even though someone else, I mean, you guys probably know who the speaker is, but I will be talking most of the time. But yeah, I'll be just here to talk with you guys and make sure it all goes well and also be fun. But yeah, so today we will be having quite an amazing speaker for our Road to GYC whole video editing workshop, and this person is quite amazing because I personally worked with him as well, and he's an amazing mentor, and he's also very good at what he do, and he's not only like good at one thing, he does so many different things that he's also good at. And if you guys can find him, or if you guys can, you guys will. But then today our speaker will basically be Sharvin. So Sharvin is, like I said, quite an amazing person. he does a lot of things. And the first thing that he does is actually he's an award-winning cinematographer and video editor at ET Boost. And ET Boost is a social business incubator, basically like a parent company to Ascendance. If you guys don't know what is Ascendance, Ascendance is a international youth organization, and is also the organizer of GYC, the competition that you guys are also joining. Okay, anyways, he's also the cinematographer for the Wanted 3 documentary that actually won 5 international awards. And this Wanted 3 documentary is actually a documentary done by one of the co-founders of Ascendance, Sanat Kumar, and he has literally got international recognition that they're doing like special screening like all over the globe, and it's literally so insane. And another thing is he's actually what they call it won like an award for his music video that he shot called Attention Island for Hira. Hira is another co-founder of Ascendance. If you guys see the like how to say screen right now, he's actually that was one of the pictures as well. And he actually won bronze medal at the California Music Awards, which is literally an insane accomplishment. Other than that, if I had to add more that about him, he's also the founder of Dance Arena Venture, which is like an international dance competition, and he's also a choreographer, an amazing dancer. You guys will see him on Instagram. He has so many amazing dance videos as well. He's literally so amazing. I literally can't tell all of these accomplishments with someone introduce themselves. But yes, he is basically so amazing. And yeah, we'll be letting him talk a bit more later. But then for now, you know how you guys, I think one person has opened your camera. Thank you so much. But then to literally like how to say break the ice in between us and actually make you guys actually talk. Or if you guys are so shy, you guys don't want to talk, but put in the chat, which is slightly sad, but it's okay. We'll be playing a small icebreaker game. And I think many of you guys might have played this game with your friends or whatever. But then today we will be playing Would You Rather. So if you guys don't know what the game is, it will basically be like how to say two options, and you guys have to pick which you rather do. And most of these questions would be related to video editing. So if you're currently recording and you've like finished recorded and you're now editing a video, for example, for GYC, or you're actually like the person who edits videos for your what you call it school, or example, you might relate to this. So yeah, we shall just play this game
So yeah,
very quickly.
before we move on into this Would You Rather, because we also want Sharvin to play the Would You Rather game with us. So without further ado, let's welcome Sharvin. Woohoo!
Hi guys, sorry late to unmute. Hello, hello everyone.
How
You
have
guys
you been
can
doing,
unmute us.
Sharvin?
Good, I'm good. Can you guys hear me, right?
Yeah, we
Yes,
can.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
very
I'm
clear.
good, I'm fine. How are you guys doing?
All right, we could.
I'm personally doing well.
You guys can even drop it in the chat, by the way. Please don't be shy.
Thank you. This Muhammad, I don't know how to pronounce that, but Afifi
Kayu,
for opening
Afifi.
your video. Yes, thank you. And you also blurred your background. I also blurred your background. Amazing. Yeah.
All right, shall we start this game?
Yes.
Let's
Please feel free to
go.
answer these questions. Usually that's a reason.
Audiences, please answer the questions in the chat, or you can unmute as well. Okay. Starting off with the first question, Madhi will read it out loud. Thank you.
Yes, the first question of our would you rather be, would you rather edit a video with no plan whatsoever, like you're literally going into this blind, or would you edit a video with a whole flow plan? You literally have like each like shot. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You literally plan everything and then you go edit the video. What would you rather do? Anybody wants to go?
Is it me?
Yes, Sharvin can
You
answer.
can answer as well.
Okay. For me, most of the time with no plans. Okay, most of
Why?
the time
Not
with no
expected.
plans. Yeah, most of the time is no plans. But if it's planned, if it's a plan, that means it's a like a big project. Example like short films, a music video, or any big project that involve a lot of editings, a lot of camera angles, that kind of things will have a proper plan. But if it's like just a one video, why I say I choose not plan all the time, because I'm a dancer choreographer, so most of the time I shot answer yes. So there's no plan. I'll just go in and just edit whatever I feel. So that kind of videos, you mean don't need much plan, like just go with the flow. It depends on what kind of project you're working on. So for me, it's like both.
Okay. The rest of you guys here, you guys can also answer. Do you guys edit video with plan or without plan? Haziq says with plan, of
Someone,
course.
someone replied, yeah,
And then
no
Richmond
plan.
says no plan because the result is surprisingly amazing.
Yes,
That is true. I do actually for me also no
yes,
plan. But if
it
got
can
plan,
be
it's
amazing.
slightly easy lah.
Mm.
And then
I mean, I
Uh,
personally
Shivan
also
Ida
edit
state,
videos for attendance, and every time I edit, not necessarily have like a whole flow. It's like when I see the video itself, you get like a rough idea how you want to do the video, but then it will be completely different from the actual videos that like the last draft that you actually do, because while you're editing you will just find like a random clip that will just make sense to just put it there. So from like the first draft to final draft, there will be literally so many like how to say differences, to be honest. So I personally would go for or like editing the video with no plan whatsoever.
I think another person, Shivani, said that I need a video the whole flow plan, which is a good thing. Because if you have a like a habit pattern of having a plan, that'd be a very good thing because your process will become super easier. You'll be very clear with the vision, so you won't go through like a whole of a stress
yeah.
if you don't have a plan. Yeah.
All right.
It just depends on sorry ma. It just depends on
No,
what works for you well.
good.
Yeah.
Let's go to the next question so that we have enough time. Moving on to question number 2.
The second question being, would you learn a completely new editing software or never use your favorite editing software after this? A very hard question. I know. And would you like to go?
That's really hard.
I know.
Wait, no, I don't understand the second one. Like, why I don't want to use my favorite software? Huh?
I don't know.
You
It's
just
basically like if you were put into a situation, would you rather choose to learn a new software or never ever use your favorite software after this?
Oh, okay. Now, sorry guys, not used to playing the game. Okay, I'd rather stick to the second one.
Second
I want
one.
to
yeah.
learn new. Wait, yeah, am I understanding
No,
correct?
I don't think so. Wait. I share screen again. Second one is you
Sorry
would
guys.
never use your favorite editing software ever.
Oh, okay. No, I mean, I won't accept the both.
But you need to pick one if you are put into a situation like this. Which one
Oh,
would
my
you
situation
choose?
like this. Ah, because if I never use, I have to go to learn the new software. Technically, I have no choice. I have to go to the first one.
Yes, me too.
It's a
Me
trick
too. Let's see
question.
the
But
audience what they say.
Yeah, I shall
but
read out
I
the
but I
answers
love to
about
stick
the
to
top.
what I good at and what I love, which is my
Yeah.
favorite software. I will choose to
Learn
use
a
new
new
one.
editing software, of course. If I learn a new one, I can still use my favorite one, right? You can't. That's the whole point of the second one. If you were like if you like pick, oh wait, what is happening to me?
You guys should
Okay.
change the question.
Let's not overthink this question and move on to the next question.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it's very tricky. The second question is very tricky.
I trick myself with my own question. What is this?
Okay. Next question. Let's go.
Round
Round
three.
3.
Would you rather use footage recorded only by yourself or use footages recorded only by other people? So
Definitely, it's me.
Definitely myself, bro.
unless, but I will of course choose the first option. But if I want to go second option, unless that person is a professional cinematographer, then I give my whole trust to that person. Yeah.
Yes, that is true. That is true. The rest of you guys can also drop it in the chat. If
Yeah,
you
come
which
on,
you
come
yeah.
on.
guys
Any
prefer.
any 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 cinematographer in the house? Come on, guys. Because just to let you guys know a little bit about
But
myself, I'm more into cinematography than video editing.
Sharvin,
So
would you
anyone
like
who
to
look
explain what is cinematography?
okay, Afifi like this looking at me, what this guy is talking about. Okay, cinematography is basically who take videos, short video, recording a video. That's called cinematography. Okay. Also another name is called videographer lah. Okay, cinematographer basically for the movies lah. Changi sikit. Okay, cinematographer, videographer, both is the same. I'm more a video person who like to short videos compared to editing video. So I'm more into that. Yeah. Okay, Alia said same. Good. Yeah. Myself, I'm introvert. Okay, guys,
Yeah.
please take the comment. Many comments coming up.
Oh
There's
wow,
a lot
both.
of them.
Okay, very good.
Both must be
By
only other
myself,
people.
by
Sorry,
myself
go
because
money, go
others
money.
might. Okay, by myself because others might take a bad angle of me. Okay, trustable. Wait, why do I hear myself?
Yeah, I also don't know. Okay,
Um,
I think we can't hear.
I think it stopped. Okay. Must be only by only other people because I like to take photo and video and edit it. So you're more to like editing the video than actually recording it.
Yep.
Hmm.
Cool, 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 cool. And some people said, same myself, I'm introverted. Oh my god, relatable. I'm both myself. I also look ugly sometimes. No, you don't. Please don't feel that way.
Please do. Myself.
All right, shall we go to the next question?
Oh, got
Myself.
more questions.
Yes.
This is a very hard one. Would you rather never have the ability to do Control S as in save, or never have the ability to do Control C and Control V, copy and paste? Such a hard question.
For me, both is same only.
Pick
Sorry, guys, so
one.
used to it. So used to it. I can close eyes and do also. Okay lah.
Um,
One means I will go to second one.
yeah, I'm gonna go second one. I'm like, if I didn't save, I'll have to re-edit everything again. That'll
Yeah,
be more
because
stressful.
yeah. Wait.
I mean,
No,
for
I will
me,
go to first one. Sorry, I'll go to first one. You know why? Because the save thing you have to keep clicking it. The copy is once a while only you do.
But you never have the ability. Like you
Yeah.
cannot do that anymore. Like you cannot
No
use
need
the same.
I
because
prefer
I'm hoping because I don't want to have that ability. Hoping in the sense that AI will do my work.
wow. Okay.
Okay.
For me, I'll probably pick the first one as in never use Control S because you still have another way to save this one. Instead, Control C, Control V is just unconscious. I can literally like how to say it, every single time I start my laptop, my hand just literally goes to the position of Control C, Control V. So I use copy and paste for way more other things. So yeah, I just use
No,
your house.
imagine there is like in few years time to come, like editing software they advance, and then let's say they have like voice recognition. You just have to say safe. That'll be good, right? We just have to say
Control
safe, and
S.
it keeps saying.
I feel like I will still use Control S.
All right. Let's see the comments. The comments say never have to do Control C, Control V. First one for me. Second one, because Control S is more important. Is there an option not to pick?
I wish.
No, you have to
Yes,
pick. You have
come
to
on,
pick.
guys, open video, guys.
Yes, please turn on your videos so that we can look at you finally and get to know you. But anyways, that will come. I mean, there is more questions, but we need to go into the video editing part because
Mm.
that is why most of you guys are actually here. If you guys signed up for today's workshop, that means you guys are in the process of editing your GYC video and you're stuck or you're not sure what to do, anything like that. But now it's your perfect time. So if you have any questions regarding video editing and so on, please ask now because it's the perfect time for you guys to ask to Sharvin. But without further ado, I'll just pass it to Sharvin, and Sharvin will be showing us some of the simple tips and tricks that you can use when you are editing your GYC video. Yeah, okay. Sharvin, take it away.
Okay, thank you guys. Yeah, before we start, I just want to ask you guys, to all the audience today, we have, I think, like around 19 participants. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Uh, I'll try my best to explain, to make you guys understand. If you guys have any question, feel free to ask in the comment, or you can even unmute us. Thank you so much. How to pronounce your name? For opening a video. Yeah, anybody else can open your video, will be good, because it's like a workshop kind of thing where we can share. You can ask questions. If you have any ideas, you can also throw out as well. Okay. Okay, my first question is, what editing app you guys are using? Just comment in the chat box. I'm waiting for the CapCut. I was guessing Filmora. Wow, nice. Filmora, CapCut. All right, motion. What is that? CapCut.
Like, is it Elite or Light? I don't know how to pronounce it.
Elite motion.
A line?
Oh, Elite
Elite
motion. I never heard before, but it's okay. CapCut. Anyone
Oh,
else?
is it light motion or a light motion? I think it's a
I
light.
I think
I
I think a light, like all of them saying a light. Okay, I don't know. I never heard about Elite motion, but many of you using that.
That's
Okay.
InShot also.
InShot I heard before. Anyone said InShot?
They sent me like personally, like direct message.
Direct message. Okay. Now
Followed
you
by
can make
GYC.
it. Yeah, make it everyone. Make sure I want to know. Okay. Okay. Learn machine short CapCut. Okay, cool. So I can see a lot of you using CapCut. Correct. Wait. Let me scroll through. Okay, another person using another app. Yeah, I know that app too. Yeah, that is a very those days punya app. Nowadays trending is CapCut lah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Anyone? Okay, based on your comments, I can see most of you using CapCut. So I will do a basic run through on CapCut. Okay, so I'll do a share screen and just show you how to. I think most of you know how to edit lah. Okay, but I show you how to edit the documentary. Okay, just give you a flow. Maybe some of the effects you may not know. Maybe I can share that as well. Okay, clear? So you use CapCut, yeah, because CapCut is free, and then you can. I think there is no limit for exporting longer than 10 minutes video and all, right? So it's easier to use that as well. Okay, but I'm not a big fan of CapCut, but I will share with you guys. Okay, yes, I think more people are opening their video. Come on, guys. Okay, now I share my screen. And then we start off with open up the CapCut app. Give me a moment. My phone screen will be exposed to everybody. You guys can see, right? Okay, CapCut. Okay, so I think okay. Before I start, I have one more question to ask you guys. Why am I seeing myself? Okay, got it. Okay. uh, who is new to CapCut? Never used before any video editing apps. I'm only asking the new beginner. Those who know, no need to comment. Anyone who's new to CapCut or new to video editing apps, never done any editing before? Okay, one person. Anybody else? Looks like only one person. I think most of you know how to use the basic editing, know how to use it, right? I think nowadays phone software become very easy lah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm used to do editing in laptop. I use Filmora. I do Adobe Premiere Pro, so it's all a bit more advanced. I'm used to editing on laptop. I hate doing on phone, but I choose to learn using phone apps as well. Okay. So let's do together. First one is, I think when you open CapCut, guys, you guys also can open CapCut on your phone and follow through with me, Okay, can? So you can also follow through with me, do it with me together. You can use any of your videos on your phone, okay? But I will show you a documentary sample. So if you open CapCut, you can see a lot of camera retouch, captions, and all that. I think I'm not using pro version, so we have limited to the free version lah. But I think even that you can do so many things. So if you want to open a new project, you just need to click the new project and pick the video that you want to use. Okay, and then but I already did a sample, so I'm going to use the project that I already created for today's workshop. Okay, so if you open, let's say you add in videos, you will see this timeline. It's called timeline, huh? The place where you do edit videos. Okay, so first thing, uh, for me, I found it CapCut is a bit difficult in terms of editing quick for me lah. Okay, first thing is you can see like a cover, right? You can click cover, you can choose a cover you want to put as the beginning of the video, which is the one of the best thing I found out in your for your videos. So you can, if you want to choose the cover, you can choose the cover from the video, or you can also upload lah. This is select from the video, this is upload from your gallery. Okay, that is for select for your cover. Okay, let's start off with the uh, first one. Huh? For documentaries, what you guys need to do, the first thing is you must have a title, correct, like a movie title. Correct, documentary is also like a movie, like a short film. It's the same format. You need a title. Okay, so you need to come up with a title. But when I look at CapCut, we have a lot of title templates free, so you can use that as a template start off. Okay, and then followed by the footages and all that you want to use. Okay, but I noticed something in CapCut where when you edit, I mean you want to put in the, what we call that, the titles, you need to add a footage first, correct? You cannot straight away put a title template, so you need to have a footage first. On top of the footage only you can put a title. That's what happened to me also. Is that the same thing for you guys? You guys go through the same thing, right? You cannot separately put the title template alone, it has to be on top of a footage. Correct? Anyone comment please if you are facing? Oh yeah, I think somebody is replying. Yes, correct, good. Yeah, that is a bit annoying because if you use laptop, there's no such thing. You can separately put a title template. That's one thing I noticed lah. Okay. Okay, let me go through one by one. See if I go text template. Yeah. Okay. You can see the first one, this blue screen, right? Did you notice the blue screen here? I mean the blue background. That one I actually downloaded from a free background from a website. Okay, you can do that too, because in CapCut you only have this title text, correct? This is actually just the text. How is it? Yeah, I show you. So what I did is first I add this text, okay, which I took from the CapCut, and then the background, what I did is I just go on I just go on Google Chrome, like that. Go search for free plain background colors on Google. Okay, you just go randomly on on your website, so Google Chrome, whatever sites that you are using. Go search a free background, and then you can just upload. How to upload is just add overlay lah, basically. So when I download, okay, a lot of my photos is, you can see, ignore that. Wait, where I can find photo. Okay, see, I downloaded this background, from Google Chrome. Okay, and then you can see if I click that, I just click, I add, means it will add under my timeline. Can you see that? Right. So after I add, after I add that, then I add my text, which is like on top lah. So the text will appear on top of the background. Understand? Clear? Any question, guys? So if you see, I already have two background. Actually, when you add a background, it will be smaller scale, So what you need to do is you need to resize it. Can you see the resize I'm doing? Can see, right? Yeah. So you need to resize it according to the screen. Yeah. So you can change the color, whatever color you want. I just put blue color. If you have red color or any other color you want, you can just choose from the website that you're taking. Make sure it's a free background. Don't take any illegal one. So make sure you use the free one that you can use for. Okay, so this kind of things you can add, it's like a creatively adding a text, because in CapCut I noticed even if I went go through in text, you can only see a lot of it's just the transparent title, correct? And some of it's pro. The only thing, most of it I'm only seeing is the transparent title, so there is no background, a template with a background title, which I didn't notice. Is there anything? I cannot find lah. Based on my research about this CapCut, most of it is just a very transparent. So if you want to add a very nice background at the back, you can just take it from free background websites and add it. Clear? So far all good? Okay, you can do that. So that's what I did to my the background at the back lah. Okay, that one done, and then let me delete this. Okay, once you add that, and then okay, so you guys all know you need to add footage first in order to add this title. Okay, so you need to put any random footage first. Okay, so I just pick this footage here because just to this footage why I use is mainly just to put title. That's it. Okay, so you need any footage just to put in the beginning to add the title. So I just add this footage. My video will start off with uh, this teacher here. Okay, it's a sample video from it's exactly a school teacher documentary. I just made a sample video for you guys. Okay, before we go there, I just want to show another one. After you create the text, you create a text and then you add the background. Once that one done, next thing is you need a audio, correct? You want to have very nice opening with the music. Alright, you don't want it to be a very plain opening text coming without a music. Music will give you a very nice feeling, Okay, so I play my video. Let me know can hear or not. Okay, so you can hear, right? Okay, so I add. Wait, let me adjust a bit. Okay, so I add audio. So how you add audio, I think most of you know. Those who are new, just what you need to do is, okay, one thing I don't like about CapCut is this thing. I show you guys here. Can you see all the edits, audio, text columns and all, right? It's a bit weird in CapCut. When you don't click, you cannot see it, Like if you want to add audio, you need to click the audio. Then only all this thing will appear. Okay, and if you want to see the text, you need to click the text, then only the text will appear. Did you guys notice? Yeah, so those who are new, you may a bit confused. Suddenly your text is missing because if I click the back button here, it goes back, and then the text is missing. So if you feel like your text is missing, don't think it's missing. You just need to click the word text, then it will appear. Okay, same goes to anything, all of it. Even the audio also same. Audio I can still see, like even the background. Background you need to click the dot, then you can see the background. I mean whatever overlay you add on lah. Okay, and then you click back, the background will disappear. Okay, so you just need to click the background like a droplet kind of thingy to know whether the background is there or not and to do the adjustments lah. So adjustments, I think most of you know, when you click on it you can see this white thingy. So if you pull it, you can adjust it how long you want, how short you want. Okay, same goes to footage as well. If you click the footage, can you see the white border at the edge? You just need to drag it and then you can adjust the footage. Okay, can so wait, let me pull a bit more. Keep it here. Okay, well, let's come back to the audio part. Let's say I go back to the audio. If I click the audio, you can see here sound, first one. Okay, one good thing about CapCut is what I noticed is they have a very good, I mean, a bit more options of songs that you can pick. Not to say it's a lot, not to say very less. I mean, a few songs are like around 50 to 60 songs that you can pick. Okay, so there are a few types. Like all these are like the categories of songs. Like warm means a bit warm, beat means you high beat songs, heal means I think the songs are very melodic, stuff fresh also like that. So you can choose what kind of song you want to put in the beginning of your title. Okay, so if you click let's say you click vlog and then you pick okay, before you pick you can actually listen to the song. How to do that is click on the image of the song. If you click, it will play for you. It will play for you. Okay, before you add it. So you don't need to add and listen, a lot of work. You can just play first all of it. And you can just drag and listen to the song. See, I just dragging to listen to the main part or something like that. Okay, and then all this down here I just need to download lah. You need to download in order to listen. If let's say wait okay, present planning sounds a bit nice. So let's say I want to add. What you need to click is, can you see the plus button on the right side? You just need to click that. It will add below. Can you see the present planning? It's nice lah. They already mentioned the name for each audio, so you know which audio you are going to edit lah. So the song is down here. Okay, so what you can do is, okay, very important. Song is very important when you edit a video, especially for documentaries. You want to add background music. Audio is very important. I teach you a few ways to use the audio. Okay, first, once you add in, when you click long press on the audio, you can move it. Can you see? This is moving the audio, not cutting the audio. Okay, this is moving audio. Once you move, let's say you want to bring it into the beginning, you pull it. Okay, and then you want to you want the song to start from, let's say you want a song start from this high beat part. The high volume there. On. So if you want to start from there, what you can do is bring your cursor like the white line there, and then you click split, and it will cut for you. You can delete the previous part, and then the song will start straight away from the part where you want the songs to start. Okay, you can do that for audio, and then when you play the audio, it will exactly start from where you want. On. Can you see that? Okay, that's how it works. So this is for audio. Another important thing I need to tell you, that is, let's say you want to use this in the opening. Yeah, it's easy. That's all. You just drag it and pull it over to the opening. So the opening, you will hear the song lah. Okay, another thing about the audio part, where you can also adjust the volume. Okay, if let's say you want to put a music while someone is speaking, correct, especially in documentary short films, most of the time people are speaking and you want to put some BGM at the background music. For that, you need to adjust the volume according to this voice. Make sure the song should not overlap the voice of person speaking in the video. Okay, which I will be coming to that next. Okay, this is just to show you guys. Another cool setting that I found out in CamCard is, can you see the word extracted right on the fourth column? If you click extracted, if let's say you pick any song, any videos, so I want to pick on, okay, let's say I pick this one, then I add the extracted video. Basically, you can take a song like a music from a video. That is a very good features that you can also use. Let's say you have like a video that has a very good music, and you can download the video on your phone, and then you click this extract and then select the video. It will only extract the audio from the video and put it down here. Can you see the extracted? It wrote here some 2023 something. You can do like that also. Okay, that's another setting for audio lah. So these are the main few things. Another one I want to share with you guys is another important thing you need to know about audio is, can you see the word fade? When you click on the audio, this option will pop up, fade. Okay, this fade is very important when you edit a video. Okay, fade in. What is fade in? Fade in means your start of the music. That is called fade in. So let's say, can you see the song? This is the start of the song. If I click here, if I add fade in, can you see can you see the level of is getting reduced there on the audio timeline? Can you see that? Wait, the video is accidentally playing. Can you see that? There's a graph reducing on the timeline. Okay, you guys can see, right? Yeah. So basically you add fade in. Fade in means the song will slowly start. I show you now. Without fading, this is how the song start. Very loud straight away. If I add fade in, you see. I don't know. Can you see it slowly starts? Right? Did you notice that it slowly starts? That's called fade in. Fade out is basically for the end of the song. So did you notice here, especially the ending part? Can you see the graph, like a graph going down, falling off? That is called fade out, where your song will slowly fade off. This ending is very, very important. You want to end any song, make sure you add this fade out so that it won't stop like it's all very sudden, It's a very weird sound cut you can see if you stop straight away. Okay, so make sure you have a fade out. So you see how it ends. Wait, I play again. So can you see it slowly fade out? Okay, so make sure you add fade out for all your audios, mainly songs lah. Clear?
Is
Okay,
everyone
this is
okay
for
so
the
far?
yeah.
Does anyone have any
I
questions?
Yeah, somebody is asking me question. Sir, I use both CapCut and Sir. Oh my god, you guys calling me sir? You can call me Sharwin, okay? Okay, as a professional between these two, which one do you think is better and easy to use? Okay, it's a very good question in between of tutorial. I have never used InShot before, but how you select a app that's good for you is actually depends on you. There is no right or wrong. You need to find which is comfortable for you to edit. Okay, so you just choose which one you feel comfortable and does it meet your purpose or not? Like what kind of video you're editing? That you need to see that. Let's say if you're using if let's say you edit video used for TikToks and you want to have a lot of effects coming in, I think CapCut is the best because CapCut got a lot of templates that are provided by them. So you can use it there, and you must also see your purpose of the video for what you are going to use it. So CapCut is a very good option. InShot I never tried before, but if you ask me, you must see the the interface, like how to use. As is it easy for you to edit or not? You need to see that. Okay, if you and my opinion, I think CapCut, InShot both are good editing apps. Very good. All you need to do is choose which one is suitable for you. That's all. Okay, I hope I answered that question. Okay, let's move on to the second part of it. After the opening, now you add your main footage that you want to going to put into the documentary. This one on my side, I choose this teacher, one of the school teacher. I put in as the starting footage. So you can see here, I add the footage, and then you can hear audio. Wait, let me play it for you.
Hi, I'm teacher Christina Charley, and I'm a teacher in SK Bandar Tunong Saint On.
You guys can hear, right? Yes, so this is the footage. Okay, to start off, what you can do is first thing after you add the footage, click the footage. Okay, you press the footage, you can see all the speeds animation, all the setting pop up in below. So what you need to do next is just scroll through to the end, not to say very end, in between. Can you see the word extract audio? You can see here, right? Extract audio. You click the extract audio. When you click that, what it will do is it will separate the audio from the video. You have to do that because the default setting it won't do that. So you will never see the audio part of the person speaking of a footage. So you must always extract the audio separately. Now did you see it pop up below here? So this is the audio of the teacher. Why I asked you to do that is easier for you to edit when you want to edit the audio separately. So you click the audio. If let's say the teacher voice is
And I'm a teacher in SK
very loud, you just click this audio and then click the volume. You can adjust the volume. Easy, correct? So you no need to disturb the footage here. So now the footage and the audio become separate. So I just edit separately. But one thing, when you extract separately, you must be careful. Don't move the audio. You understand? If you move the audio, what happens? The lip sync goes off. Okay, so you have to be careful. If you want to move it very, very carefully. You must move both also. If you want to move this footage, you also must move this audio as well. Okay, can clear so far? Okay, someone is replied yes, good. Next one. Once you extract the audio, adjust the audio. Next thing is you want to add lower third, correct? You want to, like, if someone is speaking in the video, you want to add a lower third of saying who this person is. Documentary usually has that. I want to introduce the person who are on the screen. So what I did is, again, I go back to text. Can you see the text here? Right? Again, you see, if I go back, you won't see the text. You need to click the word text, then only the text will appear. Okay, so you can see the orange color is the one that is text lah. So even this text, where I get from, very simple. What you need to do is go back, click the text. Can you see the text template here? You just click the text sample. I choose from here lah. You can see a few templates, lot of templates actually. So you can use whatever they already have it here lah, and then you can use it for your video. And another rule for when it comes to title, try to use something formal. Don't be very lot of striking colors. Okay, because documentary is like a film, Don't put like a very cartoon style of striking. It doesn't match what you're trying to say. So try to keep it formal lah. Sherwin, if you just want the audio but not the video, like for example, you want to do a voiceover or something, how can you do this? Let me read the question again. Okay, you if you want to do the voiceover, you can, there's option here where you can do a voiceover. Okay, wait, see, if you click here voiceover, can you see the end? That's a voiceover. If let's say I press, let me speak. Oh, hello, 1 2 3. Let me see what happens. Hey, wait, I need to go separate here. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. Hey, why the audio is not working? Wait,
Not working because you're sharing screen on Zoom.
Oh, okay, now I know.
Sound.
Oh yeah, maybe the sound is getting affected. Actually, if you click voiceover, you press, once done, there'll be a audio extracted. Not this one, sorry. So you can hear it, it will pop up here separately, automatically. That's one. You can do the voiceover here, or you can also take a voice record separately on your phone and then add your audio. You can do that. How to do that is, can you see the word sound? Right, you click the sound, and then can you see the this folder here? So you can also click from files and then import from files. So when you click this, it will open your phone galleries, your phone file, then you can select the voiceover that you already done, save it in your phone. Understand? Can I hope you understand? There are two ways to do lah. Either you do voiceover in the CapCut itself, or you do it separately. Go to the sound, go to this folder on the second column, click from file, import from files from your phone storage. Okay, if you do a voiceover separately lah. Can I hope I answer your question. If you still don't get it, please ask me again. Okay, that is on that side. Another one, let's move on to the teacher part lah. Now I already shared with you the audio, right? Audio part. Okay, there's one more thing you can do also. Let's say when the person is speaking, you sometimes when the person is speaking, it's very how to say, not fun, just the voice of the person speaking. If you want to make it exciting, you want to put a background music while the person speaking, right? So if you want to do that, you can also do that. Can you see here? This is the teacher's audio level. This is the music that I actually put below the footage. So if I click this footage, I mean this other shine song, you can see here, I add a song. Again, how I add the song, same thing. Go to audio, go to sound, I pick a song here, a very melodic and slow beat song, and then I add it. It will become it will appear here lah. It's called others assign. So what I do is, when you want to add while person speaking, one thing you must really take note of. Okay, what you need to do is you need to adjust the volume of the background music. So what I did is I click the other shine. Can you see the volume? I reduce the volume to what level? I think I reduced to 35. So that
Hi, I'm teacher.
so that it won't overlap the teacher speaking. So you need to match it lah. See, if I play the video, you can hear the teacher speaking and the music coming. Listen.
Hi, I'm teacher Christina Charley, and I'm a teacher in SK Bandar Tunusin On. And I've been
So you can hear the music? Can, right? Yes, no? Shake it, guys. Those who turn on your camera, you can say yes. Thank you, thank you. So you can hear. So you adjust according to the volume lah. Make sure you guys use earphone when you edit lah. Okay. And just now I already showed the text, right? Text part is very easy. You just need to add the text and then put it at the side wherever you want. So and then I just wrote the teacher's name lah. Okay, that's easy. Next one is okay, another thing what I did is can you see above, like while the teacher speaking I add footage. Definitely you need to do this for documentary, right? When you want to, like, someone is speaking, you definitely want to add a footage on top of the person speaking. So that is very easy. Can you see while the teacher speaking I add few footages? I play for you. I'll show you.
around 127. They're sponsoring for this program, and I feel it's wonderful. Make them join and have a fun, and then learn something new for the future.
Okay, you see, so I added footage while the teacher is speaking lah. Okay, so how to add that is very simple. Can you see the add overlay? If I add overlay, let's say I click any of my video, I click my dance video lah. Hey, why did I put my dance video? It's too long, sorry guys. Wait, let me find a shorter video. Yeah. Okay, see, it becomes as overlay lah. Okay, this one is a vertical video, so that's why it appear like that. Make sure your video is like horizontal file size lah. So if I wait, let me delete this. I add back that the same footage lah that I took for our shooting. Why I cannot find my footages? Yes, they can find. It's okay. See, if you click add overlay, just now I add a footage on top of the part where teacher speaking, correct? There's one more thing I need to show. It's very important. Wait, footage is missing.
Meanwhile, does anyone has any other questions? Feel free to drop it in the chat, or you can unmute as well.
Can you hear the audio? Did you guys hear the audio of the song? Yes, yeah, it's a Malaysian song, So encourage more Malaysian songs. Okay, so let's say you see I add the footage. Okay, this is vertical please use, if you're using, make sure your document is horizontal horizontal means like the teacher one, rectangle shape size. Vertical means square. So this one that I added is called vertical. So please don't use vertical if you can. Please use horizontal. Make sure you shot videos on horizontal, then it looks nice. Okay, so if you use vertical, you see this is the problem, it will become like this. Okay, if you want to solve this, the only way is you crop like this deep inside, then your video quality become very bad. So better not to use vertical. If you shot horizontal, everything must be in horizontal. Okay, if you shot vertical, everything must be vertical. Clear? Again, so you can see if I add, okay, most of the time when you add a footage, you don't want the audio to disrupt, right? You just want the video, correct? You don't want the audio to appear when the teacher is speaking. See, now what happens when I add overlay, the song also comes in, so it overlaps the teacher's voice. See,
127. They're sponsoring for this.
See, so many things happening, right? So how to do that? How to, like, you want to delete the audio, again go click the footage, and then you go to go scroll through, you can see extract audio. Okay, now it got extracted, this song, the song alone, and then click delete. Now go back to the footage. Okay, now that you can see, you won't hear the song.
My student, 127. They're sponsoring for this program.
So you don't have the song is disappeared. So that's how you add a footage on another footage. You want to delete the audio, click extract the audio, delete the audio. Okay, and then you can only see the video now lah. So overlapping. So that's what I did for all this footage. All these the four footage you are seeing actually got audio. I deleted, extracted, and deleted, and then it appears on top of what teacher speaking. Clear? Understand? These are the important things you need to know lah. After that, just I add another teacher's video again, and then at the end I add one video lah, like a closing, and then it's done. Okay, this adding footage, I think you know already. You just need to add on, then it's done. Okay, for last thing you need to know in documentary, these are very basic thing you guys need to have. Okay, which is how to say end credit, because you made a film, you want to put a credit like directed by who, shot by who, edited by who. That one you can do. What you can do is you can add actually overlay. Let me see, they have stock video. Okay, in most of all CapCuts, they have when you click add overlay, you can see a stock video, you can see a black and white screen. So for end credit, usually we put black screen lah. You don't want to put so many footages in between. So if I click the black screen, I add, you can see it added below here, right? Can you see it's added below? I zoom in a bit, the black color, right? Once you add it in, then what you can do is add text. Add text, you can actually click the first one, and then you can read right there like directed by me myself Shelvin. Okay, and then you click, you see if you click style, you can pick the style lah. You can change the style font you want. If you ask me, keep it formal lah, don't disturb that. And effects, I won't use it. There are many effects that you can choose from, sorry, and there are many other style lah, designs. Animations, okay, what animation I use for end credit is very simple. Just use fading, don't use anything else. End credit, keep it simple. So you use fade in, and then you click tick, you play it, you see the word. Wait, let me stop this. Okay, now you can see. Can you see? It appears nicely, right? And then you just drag it lah, when until which part you want to start and when until which part you want it to end. So it will fade away nicely. I mean, start with the fade and then end, just end like that. Okay, this is how you add text lah. If you want to add more text, right, definitely there are more people involved in a documentary, so you just drag the black color screen more to add more text. So you go back, click text, then you can add more text. Click add text, and then you can also put like shot by, again, me, because it's actually shot by me. Okay, so I add another one. You click on it, go back to the add text, go to the animation, click fade in. Make sure you have a fade in, so you can see here. So you adjust it nearer to the director. Make sure don't have space lah. So you can see now both will appear. Directed by, shot by, you like that. Okay, clear? Yeah, why is it overlapping? Yeah, understand guys? Yeah.
Is everyone okay?
So this is how it appear at the end. Okay, clear? Any questions so far? This is for you to add tags at the end. Okay, any questions guys? No, she mean no questions. Okay,
Anyone?
can I play the audio? Okay, another thing is, for the end credit, if you want to add a music, you can. Same way how I did for the opening. After you add text like that, directed and shot by, can I fade out the text? Yeah, this is what I was also trying to find. I cannot. Oh, yeah, got. Sorry, there is a word out here. Then you can click fade out. Okay, so it will fade in and then it will fade out. Wait, let me say fading. Oh wait, I need to add fading. Animation goes in, fading. Click. Fading. Wait, I don't know why it's not appearing for this one. Let me see for this one. Go back to animation. We click out, add fade out. Okay, and then click tick. Let's see. I still don't know why it's not appearing. Oh, I think it's not long enough. So only got fade in. Wait, let me adjust and see. Add text. Why the add? Oh, I know what's happening. Okay. That's the issue. Fade. Sorry. I wrongly showing you guys. Once you add text, you click the text and then go to animation, and then you add. Go to out and then add the fade up. Then it will appear. Okay. See now. One. It will fade in and then it slowly fade up. Okay. Understand? Okay, I think I answered the question. Yeah, how do we make it like in the movies? You know how it moves from bottom to top. Okay, it's a very good question. Uh, I actually didn't how to say explore more with the end credit, but as far as I know, in CapCut I cannot find that flowing through end credit. But let me see. Most probably it might be in the text template. Wait, let's see if there is any scrolling thingy. Christmas 3D titles, because I saw the end credit in another software. I cannot find it on CapCut actually. They actually don't have. Yeah, they don't have. Wait, why is it
Meanwhile,
top?
I hope you guys don't mind if you take a bit more extra of your time. It's already like 9:02. If we can take a bit extra 5-10 minutes, is that okay for you guys?
Yeah, because some of them asking questions.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see if there is any other way. Oh, okay, I think I found something. Oh, there is a loop. So scrolling through. I found already. But it's a very weird scrolling through. Wait, oh, you can adjust the slow. Still, it's very bad. Still very bad. Okay. I think they have some scrolling options here, but it's not that nice lah.
There's one. Scroll up. It says scroll up at the bottom.
Bottom.
Yeah. Like go up a bit and then you'll find the scroll up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Wait, let me make it slow. We got it. Wait, but the slow is still very fast. If I put
If you
fast.
put like one word, okay, right?
Yeah, but it's still quite fast lah. But if you're okay with that, can. I think right, you no need to put one word by one word. You can just keep adding on it below. Let's see, short by, and then edit by Sharwin, and then thank you sponsors example. Then okay, let's say these three words lah. Let's see how see it will come like this, but still very fast. That's the lowest we can get lah. Okay, so what you need to do is just add on lah. You once you write the first one, click this written here, go below, and then add another one. So where we found this is in under animation, go down fully, and you see the scroll up, click that, and then make sure you adjust this. Make sure you adjust slow. Slowest is 3 seconds, but it doesn't look like it's 3 seconds. It's still very fast. But if you're okay with that, you can go with this. Yeah, I know. Understand. Credits scroll up, then it looks nice, right? So you can do that. You can do that, or either another option is this, like one by one, like this. Okay. So, but if you ask me, I would recommend you to do this lah. You know why? Because you don't your the movie that I mean the documentary that you shot don't involve 100 people. Okay, if you got a lot of people, then you do scroll text lah. Looks nice because you only got maybe let's say you have 4 people, the scrolling text will just go like that, you know. So might as well just put like this. It looks nice. Like you can show the person for some time. Okay, and then you finish it. Like this is my opinion. It's not right or wrong. If you still really want to go with the scroll test, you can go. Okay, so these are the few things I want to share with. Again, for the end credit, you can also add music if you want, like to finish it off. The same way how I did for the opening. Okay, and if you want to add, you don't want the black screen, you want some color, do the same thing I did here. Wait, I'll show you one last one. This template, sorry, the background. You can do the same thing. You can add another type of color background for the scrolling ending part if you want to. Okay, if you don't want a black screen. Understand? Okay, so these are the basic things. Whatever I show you now, just today, is just for you to edit a proper documentary now. Okay, Like what are the things you need in order to edit documentaries. There are more options, there are more settings, but I don't want to go deep in because it's too advanced. Maybe one last one I want to show you, just in case if you guys want to play with, is actually called filter. Wait, let's say I go to teacher, you click the footage, you can go to the filter. You want to use any filters, up to you lah. You want to make it look more visually appealing, can, or that is called filter. Some of it are pro lah, so don't use pro, you can't use it. But you see when I add filter, what happens? It looks more nice, right? Like a very cinematic kind of view. But it's up to you, you want to use it. There is also another option called edges. Okay, this one very important. Sometimes when you record, the brightness is very bad or is very dark. Go to under edges, click brightness, adjust the brightness. Can you see? Yeah, but make sure don't go too high. I would recommend you to go max 5, 6, 7, 10 lah. Max is 10. Don't go above that. Then your footage you will see a noise in your video. Noise means like a very grainy. Okay. Another one is called contrast. Contrast is make it very stand up. Is it very deep like this one all you need to learn more, but I just show you the basic lah. You just play with these two now. Don't go all this. Don't these are very deep advanced level of editing. You just play with these two lah. Video quality, okay, this one all pro. Just play with these two. If you want to add filter, you go ahead, you can play around with the filters. Okay, these are the main things. Other than that, I think it's good. Freeze frame, I think you don't need all that. So I think you know already, right? All of it, the basic things. You want to cut the footage, click the footage, click split, it will cut for you, and then you can move the footage and all that. Okay, I already show you all that. Okay, can you explain what is camera tracking? Wow. Okay, last one. I'm going to end. We're going to come to an end. That's all from my side. If you guys have any question, you can ask now itself. One person asked me, can you explain what is camera tracking? Camera tracking is basically, let's say, okay, I'll give you an example. You saw just now my dance video, right? I do a lot of movements, right? So what if let's say I shot in a very static phone, like I put on tripod, my phone is like this, but I'm keep moving. But the phone stays there, right? If camera tracking means you can click the camera tracking, the view will follow my movement. So wherever I go, the visual, the video will zoom in to me wherever I move, like moving camera without moving. You understand? Through the software. Okay, that is called camera tracking. But I found the camera tracking in CapCut is not so nice. So, but if you want to try, you can try. Okay. That is camera tracking. Any other questions, guys? Anyone? Ask now itself, is your chance. Okay. Let me show. Oh, yeah, this is camera tracking. Oh, sorry. Camera tracking, you need pro version. Okay, if you can use pro version, can la. But I think it's not. You don't need much actually. You can solve it with using when you record itself. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Any other questions? Can you show again how to add background like the one earlier? Okay, can wait. Let's say I want to add background for the end credit. Let's say I want to add the background for the end credit. What I can do is, okay, let's say this is the end credit, right? So what you can do is, can you see click the overlay here? Click overlay, add overlay. This is your video or photo lah, your gallery. There's nothing there. Okay, wait. Why my stock videos? Oh, they got a lot of videos actually. Wait, okay, I go add overlay. I don't know why suddenly my photo is not popping up. Is there anyone know why my photo is not popping up? You're on videos. You are on videos. Huh? What does that mean?
Click
Or
overlay
did I
and
click?
delete.
Wait, let me try again. Still not showing.
You
Live
click on the
photos.
videos with the little small arrow and see if you're.
Okay, I click. Wait, and then let's say I add overlay. No, cannot do this. No, it has to be show what. There's nothing here. Start recording memories now. Because when I add this thing, I actually got the option to put the background. So actually, right, for you guys can the photos pop
I
up or
think
not?
you need to click on the video that has like at the top there.
I think
Wait, I
next
don't.
to the word video, there's like a tiny arrow. Try to turn that and see.
Yeah.
Wait. Wait. Which video you guys are talking about?
You
Can
click on
tekan
overlay.
yeah.
Okay, tekan on a video. Okay.
No, you go to overlay like what you did again.
Oh, okay. And then.
And can
Oh,
you see
switch
video?
here. Okay. Understand already. Okay, wait. I still see. No, it has to be photo one because if you click videos, all the videos will show.
Tekan the screenshot and see.
Oh, I found already.
It's cool. Sorry.
Okay, wait. Okay, found already. Sorry, guys, there's a confusion here. Videos, photos to happen, you need to use this arrow. Make sure go to the correct folder lah. Okay, so my one. Okay, you see this thing. Uh, this background, plain background. I got it from the internet, free background, and then I save in my gallery. So you go to photo, click this, and then add. So it will appear here below here. So it will appear. Once it appear, it always appear in a very small size, So what you need to do is adjust it according to the size of the video. Okay. Now what I do is I bring it to the end. Oh, it's very far away to bring it. Oh yeah, I can. Okay, so I add it here. So now you can see. Wait, if I push away the black background, now I got ready like this. Understand? Clear? Hope everyone get this. Can Okay. Thank you. Someone helped me just now. Shaisha said, besides stop it. Thank you so much. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm not so used to using phone editing apps. Yeah, I'm used to use laptop. Okay. Any other questions, guys? That's all, So you come to an end. Clear?
Yes, we should come to an end. Before you guys leave, I need to make some like one tiny announcement. Sharvin, can you stop sharing this nice one?
Wait, Wait, I'm confused. Wait.
Just give me 2 more minutes and we should be done.
Yes.
So, but anyways, thank you so much, Sharvin, for doing this workshop for us. I hope that this workshop has helped all of you guys. But then again, if some of you guys may not have questions, but while you are editing the video, you may have more questions at that time. So during that time, let's say if you have any questions, we have this new thing that we are doing right now in the GYC team, which is called the GYC office hours. So basically what this is basically we have on certain days, we will be, the GYC team will be in a Zoom call. And let's say if you are free at the same time, you can join the Zoom call and edit your videos. If you have any questions, you can come and ask us at that time and clear all your doubts at that time. So if you would like to join us for this GYC office hours and so on, you can either scan this QR code and choose like which date you want to join. I'll drop the link in the chat as well. So let's say if you are so bored, you're like, no, I have no motivation to edit at all. It's okay. You can join us for one of our sessions on Zoom and you can edit it together with us, with a few of us in the Zoom call itself. If that would help you guys. So yeah, you guys can click on the link and like register there for whichever dates that you want. But besides that, I think we're pretty much done. Can we all take a group picture?
Okay, one thing, last one. Thank you so much, guys, for joining and listening to me for past 1 hour, almost 1 hour. Actually, right, it's you just need to explore. You will actually figure out yourself. It's not a very, how to say, a very advanced setting to use. And another thing is, if you want to explore more, you can always go to YouTube, search CapCut tutorial. There are so many tutorials. People even show you like step by step. That's how even I learn editing. I actually never go to any school or what. I just learn by watching tutorials. So if you want to learn a bit more advanced, just watch YouTube. They'll show you step by step. You can also learn from that. Okay. That's one tips that I can give you guys. Okay, that's all.
Good luck, everybody. Can we all take a group picture? Is it okay if you guys can turn on your cameras?
You
That would
open
be
your
great.
camera, guys.
For those who have not turned on their cameras, please turn on your camera so we can take a quick group picture and we can end today's call. So while you
It's
guys are
always
thinking,
the
oh my
time
gosh,
that we tell to camera for the group picture.
Thank you
guys are all
so
the
much,
contact, yeah.
Ashwini, Shaisha, Kaim, Anik, Kayum, Afifi. I'm so sorry if I pronounced your name wrongly, but is it Alawiyah? Yes, I got it. Okay, Tashaini, thank you guys so much for turning on your camera. Taking the picture in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cheese. All right, I got it. Thank you guys so much for joining. Good luck for your GYC video. Hoping to see all of your amazing videos. And yeah,
Yes.
bye guys. You
All
have
the
like
best.
60
Thank you
minutes left, by
guys.
the way. Bye bye.
Bye.